Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It appears in nature, particularly in clear, tropical waters and vibrant marine life. This color can be made by combining shades of blue and green. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Aqua. Aqua. Here we go again. Aqua. Aqua evokes a range of emotions and reactions. It can create a sense of calm, serenity, and freshness, often associated with the soothing effects of water. This color also brings a sense of clarity and rejuvenation, evoking images of clear skies and tranquil seas. If you enjoyed learning about Aqua, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.